Alvaro Casanova Zenteno was born November 21, 1857, died May 25, 1939. He was a prominent marine painter and of historic naval warfare, a statesman. His art is classified as realist, expressionist, classical, and romantic. He had a focus on the seas, the coastal landscape and the naval world. He showed a predilection for sailboats and high seas in particular. His art was defined by 4 stages, starting from realism under the influence of Thomas Somerscales, then progressing to expressionism.